So basic approach is the same, but further it may be elaborated like both of this. So initially, suppose how exactly we are going to test with the Piper directive. So what exactly we do, we would create a dummy component. Like suppose if we have a dummy component, we would create our own. Okay, so this is some test component. We are going to add our own. So if we want to modify multiple time input, so we can just put at the rate input ABC. If we can want to test with our own something later on, we can directly put like input A equals to ABC. Okay, then this dummy component first is create this dummy component. Okay, and inside the template we are going to use whatever we. So here there is something update internal link pipe. So we are you are going to check this update internal link pipe. Okay, so directly you can put inside like now inner HTML anywhere you can put inside this template thing. Okay, now second thing is setup module. Inside setup module we will declare this dummy component first of all, or if there is direct, in case here we have used a pipe, but in case if there is some directly, we can going to declare inside the declaration section. Okay, then in the inside the provider there would be a pipe, whatever pipe you are using, it will be inside that provider section. Okay, then we are going to bootstrap this dummy component and we are going to test whether this expected element is there or not. So suppose if there is something like ABC is the input and we are expecting this to be output from that pipe. So whether it is there or not. Okay. But we have seen the similar approach somewhere else. Like if we see bootstrap template, it is of same type. So suppose here directly what we will do, declaration we will put directive, provider we will provide, and bootstrap template we are going to put the template string which we have used here. Okay, this thing would be inside bootstrap template and rest all thing will come to. So what exactly is the same thing that bootstrap template has, what it has reduced is that effort of writing one more dummy component, and we can test accordingly like for directive and pipe whatever it is there. So this approach like using bootstrap template we can test our pipe and directive very easily. Okay, so let's see example of a directive and the and we can conclude further how exactly we are going to test both of this. Okay, so firstly it is directive. So this directive would be almost same as what Akshit has wrote. So it's basically firstly what we will do, we will set an inner HTML, like it will whenever in a DOM there is something inner HTML, it will directly render it. Okay, and the main code is that if there is something like inner HTML, some search text is there, then we are going to put the default inner HTML. Otherwise, we are going to replace it with an class with an ABC class of type mark or span, whatever it is there. Okay. So now what we are going to how we are going to test this is, firstly we will declare this inside our highlight search text, the declaration section of the setup module, and then we are directly doing bootstrap template to check whether this highlight will work or not, and this class is work or not, and this highlighting thing will work or not, and we are checking whether the class list is having that ABC class or not, which we have rendered via directive. This ABC class is there or not whenever it is replacing. And apart from that, there are two conditions if you check. There is one if condition where it is written, and there is not an if condition, like else condition you can say. So that both condition need to be checked, which I guess put that entire coverage thing, like cover the entire directive. Okay, while testing. Now coming to the pipe testing. So pipe testing, suppose here what exactly it will do. This is one simple pipe. Okay, so the main approach of the pipe here is there would be something name of the PDF would come in your what we say from your backend. You say okay, name of the PDF will come, and we are going to add that download link. Okay, so basically what is there? The name of the PDF will come, and we are just adding one inner HTML or some sort of HTML via pipe. Okay, so uh, firstly there are two approach. Like one we have already discussed, that is bootstrap template. So what exactly it will do? You will bootstrap it, add this update link pipe here in HTML, and you are going to just check whether this anchor tag href will contain this thing or not. Okay, so first get EL, then get attribute. Our attribute href, and that href we are going to check whether this PDF link is as expected or not. Okay. Apart from that, the second approach is that you will.
HM, can you go back a little?
Yeah.
So content we are passing in transform, right? This is an argument, right?
Yeah, content is an argument. That is string. That is our
So-
whatever PDF name is coming from the backend. You can say it will go here or
Okay, so in the next slide we are not adding it. In this,
okay. Here
Pipe
in the
has no-
HTML, we have used this one like.
but the pipe should have some argument, right? Because how are you getting this
Yeah.
ABC dot
Pipe
PDF?
will have an argument. Content. Okay, I guess this one would be the argument, correct? Like the first, this A
will be the argument.
A will be the
Okay,
argument.
A itself will be the argument.
Yeah.
Okay, further arguments have to be specified. With.
To be added via pipe.
Okay, right.
So first argument that this one will be there. Then one approach is one using the bootstrap template, which we have already looked upon. Directive also we have the same logic. Okay, but here many of the time we have like suppose we are using a pipe for converting to a camel case instead of like the approach like we are adding one more attribute like one anchor tag with href. We just want to have our text to be a camel case. Okay, so instead of writing this entire thing just for a camel case, it would be very clumsy. So suppose there is some very big pipe, it is doing very big execution which have many things to be mocked. In that case, what our issue would be like this entire thing bootstrapping thing, and there are many mocking thing. It may get some error. So one of the simple approaches which used here in Google as well as outside is using the get. Okay, so first up, this approach is more appropriable when there is DOM changes. If there is some anchor tag or new tag is added or tag is modified in that case. But if some text is only rendered and text is only modified or some text changes or some string changes or number changes like that primitive there, non-DOM changes, we can say we can directly get the pipe. Okay, and we can just transform ABC, like we can just check whether this transform function is working as expected or not. This is the same approach we use in the services also, and here we will get this our pipe and we will transform ABC like whatever transform you want to check, and you just 2b or 2 equal this thing like your expected output from the transform function. So this is like another approach and most used approach for non-DOM changes. And I guess both the approaches might be clear to you. Like this one is same as the service, and we are testing one function. And previous one is bootstrapping and checking the implementation of pipe or directive. Okay. So I guess that's it for today. Thank you. If you have any further doubt, you can ask. तो इतने ही है आज के लिए.